What's up, guys? It's Stella back here with Kale. All two of us in the Sevierville mini squad. Coining that term right now. And we're gonna go find a stunt lot and do some shenanigans at the stunt lot. So we'll probably meet up, unless something happens, in the stunt lot. No, you're good. We didn't make it to the stunt lot. So we didn't even make it to the stunt lot. And we're down. Boat. Okay, guys, we are doing something called geocaching. I guess there's kind of apps or whatever, but people hide boxes called caches. I might have a sticker. No, I don't have a Stella sticker. Or we could just leave something. That's a can. Ooh, it's a Dodge. No?
Check inside.
I'm checking. Oh, did you actually download it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I guess we're trying this geocaching thing. And do you even know where we are?
Yes, in the U.S., in Tennessee, right by Douglas Lake.
So just tell everybody where we are.
Hey, this is a long way from our houses. I think it's somewhere in here, and we're right in here. No.
Well, it's still loading.
Oh, that's right.
Do 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 do.
Hey, there's a geocache right there. There's a geocache there. Where's this geocache? Why is there no geocache?
Oh, let's go to a different one then.
Okay. There was one right here at this truck. What the crap? I saw it. There's pictures of it.
Maybe they moved it. Oh, yeah, I know exactly where that's at. It's actually in a cemetery. Okay, we're going, this spot was dead, so we're going to go to a different spot. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, you got the shift, he got the shift, ladies and gentlemen. Kale Deenda just got the second to third shift. Yeah, your exhaust is annoying loud, you need to go back to stock. Photogrammer says you need to go back to stock. Oh. Okay. Oh, gravel. Okay. It's in the back somewhere. Yeah, I see that. There's a lot of dead people. I honestly think the more disrespectful people are the people who put it here in the first place. Here, get your phone out. See where it's actually at. Alright, we'll be back when we find it. I think it's over here. I honestly think it's over here. Why do I feel like it's at this stump? There's like bricks piled up. There's like bricks piled up to hide something.
Well, you know, there is. Yeah, there is. I see it. I'll bet. I see it.
Hey, we found it!
Got you.
Look at this!
This is kind of cool.
We found our first cache. Let's see what we have.
$1 bill?
Hey, there's $1.
You need some gas? I'd feel bad to take that. Let's see. Here, let's sit down and take a quick look at this here.
There's a composition book. There's some paper. Okay, there's some tracks and pins.
Money in here.
I don't know.
Is it the only thing I had in your car?
Maybe.
What's this? Fire starter? Wait. Toothpicks.
Earrings.
Scrap metal.
Some cash. So we found $1. What does it say? Dumbledore's Army.
I think we should leave something and take something for the next cash. Moving on, right? You're gonna take the $1.
I seriously want to take the $1.
You take it to the next cash. I feel like that's good. What do you have to leave?
Here, hang on. I've got stuff.
$1 for $1.
I have things. I just have to. Here. I'm gonna put this hand sanitizer in there.
You won't smell it first.
What? I know what it smells like.
Put it right up your face.
It smells like stress relief. Okay, that's definitely worth more than $2.
Think so?
Oh yeah, that's Bath and Body.
Some of it. Put it in there so it lessens the value.
That's Bath and Body Works. It doesn't say greater or equal value. I'm gonna put that in there. But that's Bath and Body Works. That's kind of expensive.
I don't remember exactly what the rules were. Do you?
It says if you take something, put something back, or just leave something. I think. So we took something.
Quite wore out.
Yeah.
All right.
Put that back.
That was really not a real hiding place. You know, there's difficulty levels and stuff.
Cool.
So.
Yeah. Check. You gotta.
Do we need a message about it?
I don't know. Right. Do whatever the app thing says. Okay. First successful geocache. Pointing at Stella cache. And we'll see you when we go to the next one. Okay, we hit our first geocache, got it, left the review, all that. I am officially coining it Stella caching. And we're on to our next one. Oh, you would die. dead. You should so totally send it. Don't hit the gap. Hit this little hump next to it first.
Am I recording?
Yes. Yeah. You bottom out. That too. Hey, stay over to the left, to the right, because you'll hit the roof. Yeah, stay out from the building, that way you don't hit the overhang. Oh, sent it.
That's actually not bad at all.
No. Trials. Oh yeah. Ooh, there you go. Yeah, sorry. Stella doesn't have those kinds of stunts in her. Oh, that was bottomed out. Okay, let's find this geocache. Yeah, that's what I thought about. Kinda. There's like a little divot over here. It's probably over in this rocks. It's got to be in here somewhere. Well, we found it. No, you gotta put something in this time.
I gotta find something. Maybe I should leave a credit card.
Yeah, no.
Alright. Kind of a small.
Okay, so what does the note say?
Should we be writing in the log?
Why?
Just people write their names and stuff in the log.
Oh.
That's all that's in here. I'd say we leave this one and find a different one to put stuff in.
Find it. Alright, you guys, if you want to find this one and leave this one, if you're in the area, Chestnut Hill, Bushes. Right by that ball field. And it's right there. No. That cedar, that rock. There you go. Okay.
Famous.
Okay, let's go. It's getting hot.
I'm sweating.
What time is it? 4:09. Want to go fool around in Bush's lot till they kick us out? Alrighty.